Hey everyone, Chef John here at the Monogram Design Center. I think one of the biggest problems in life is that we don't eat enough of the things that we love. And a lot of times that's because it takes too much time. So let's go ahead and look at one of my favorites, bacon wrapped dates. This recipe, 2 ingredients, dates and bacon. All you want to do is take a pitted date and go ahead and roll it up in regular cut bacon. Nice smoke on there is okay, but we don't want thick cut bacon for this. We just want that nice regular cut so it cooks up quickly and crisp. We have these dates rolled up, kind of like a little pig in a blanket. We're going to place them right in this glass baking dish, all 12 of them lined up. Next step, go ahead and open up your speed oven door and place that dish directly in the center. Next, I'm going to select the custom speed cook button, scroll over, and add 9 minutes. Next, turn the upper element to 10, the lower to 10, microwave only to 20%, and the convection fan to 10 as well. Press the selector twice more and begin the cooking process. These bacon wrapped dates are just about finished. I cannot believe in 9 minutes the results that we're going to get. Let's take a look. Amazingly, evenly crisp bacon, roasted dates, caramelization. Take those, put them right on a little platter like this. You could pass them. You can make 100 of them. You can never make too many. Some fresh thyme around them, and a little drizzle of balsamic.